Budget Circulars 2024-2 to 2024-4 ni DBM. SRI 2024 na ba ang susunod? Yes friends, as of today, December 12, 2024, sinilip natin yung website ni DBM at ang nabasa po natin is itong mga budget circulars. Ano ba itong Budget Circular 2024-2? Yan po yung guidelines on the payment of communication expenses of certain government personnel. On the other hand, Budget Circular number 2024-3 is amending Section 6.1 of Budget Circular number 2016-4 on payment of year-end bonus and cash gift. And Budget Circular number 2024-4, guidelines on the grant of the CNA incentive for fiscal year 2024. So, obviously, friends, wala pa talaga yung SRI 2024 na guidelines. So, maghintay-hintay po tayo para ma-release na po talaga yung ginahintay po natin na SRI 2024 sa lahat ng mga government employees, not only sa public school teachers. Ayan po. Kasi po, ang balita po is 20,000 na po yung sa DepEd na mga teachers. Congratulations po, ma'am and sir. Actually, lahat po yan sa LGU at NGA. So, maghintay po tayo sa guidelines ni DBM para ma-release na po itong SRI 2024. So, I believe baka Friday po yan. Abangan po natin. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.